Everyone is looking for a drilling and taping machine that can rival Brothers machine, and today it's here.
This is our S600L drilling and taping machine, specifically designed for high precision machining of copper parts and components. The control system can be equipped with manual, Mitsubishi, or Syntec. It features a 20,000 RPM BT30 spindle for high-speed cutting without tool vibration. And look at this 22 servo tool magazine. Its tool change speed is as fast as 0.8 seconds.
If you are interested, please feel free to contact me.